Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup. In front of me I got the women's Jordan 11 low Concord sketches. I never really get grade school or youth shoes, however you want to say it, but my sister wears a size 7, so cop these for her. Go ahead and look. White box, 23 on the side, gold Jordan on the top, gold Jordan on the back. Got the label. And go ahead and open them up. Review. See how they look. And lay these on top. And here we go. There we go. So this is the Concord sketch. Now, if you know, the Concords are white and black. And the bottom, the Jumpman inside the sole, is Concord purple. So this is supposed to be like a bluish purple, and show you on the box. Well, it says black Concord, but it's supposed to be like a bluish purple, which I think they look pretty good. It reminded me of the Win like 82s or whatever they was, the high top white and navy blue ones. But go ahead, right there we got the, just like on the Concords, and then we have the Concord patent leather. Not too many glue stains on these. One thing I noticed on 11s, on the midsole, if you can see that little piece right there, they always have that. I don't know if that's how they make them to let you know they're real or something, but they always have that. It kind of looks like a little defect, but they always have that little spot. There's another one. There's one right there, and then there's one in the back. And here we go with the tumbled leather. Pretty smooth. Slight wrinkles. I really don't pay no attention, pay no mind to that. There's another one right here. Go on the back. 23 in the Concord purple. And then the black stitch Jumpman on both sides. Go ahead and look on the inside of here. Now here's a little defect right there. You can see that pretty good. And here again, there's a little lip right there that I was talking about. Look right there, right here. A little messed up on the leather. Nothing major unless you're actually paying attention like I'm doing. Go ahead, another little defect right there. And then here's that little lip again that I was just talking about. So we're gonna switch the shoes, put this one, and then check the inside of this one. There we go, another little piece right there. Now this one don't have those little lips on the inside that I was talking about. There's a little piece right there. It's nothing major, just a little slight stuff that I always look for. It's a back shot of them. Go ahead and finish the right shoe. And here we go. So here we go, you can see the midsole, slight little defects. You can get those off with a razor blade. There's nothing major, but again, this right shoe doesn't have those little lips that I was talking about. And then of course, them extra wrinkles in the leather. Big turn off for me, but some people don't care. Look at the bottom. Pretty clean. Again, with that slight blue tint, that legend blue tint, I like that. Check out the carbon fiber. See that little lip right there? This one don't have it. All in all, good shoe, good color. That where there's supposed to be blue or purple. If it was supposed to be purple, it could have been a little bit more purplish, but it still looks good. Again, Jordan 11 Lows Concord sketch, women's release. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.